So it is what it is. We're gonna have some fun, man. Here in paradise. Love, peace, hair grease.
Exposure. I am here with Javier at Down the Hatch in Lahaina, Maui. I'm going to show you guys some food, everything about their establishment and more, so make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, make sure you guys check out everything going on.
Aloha, my name's Javier. I'm one of the owners of Down the Hatch restaurant here in Lahaina, Maui. We've been open almost 6 years now, and you know, the situation right now with COVID, we've been just trying to adapt as best as we can to all the ever-changing rules from the CDC and from the health department here in Maui and the liquor department. And we've been really grateful that the community is like supporting us, and the tourists are slowly kind of trickling back to Maui. And because a lot of places are closed, we're staying busy. We're able to continue to employ all of our employees that we had previously to COVID. Everyone's been brought back on, which is really great for us. Yeah.
All right, so I'm here with Javier. He's going to give us a tour down the hatch, so you guys stay tuned and follow us. So Javier, how does the restaurant work?
So the way Down the Hatch is set up is you go ahead and you order here at the counter. You can order all your food, all your drinks, and then you can sit in our dining room and we drop everything off for you. It's kind of like a counter service restaurant.
Javier, so what are the local favorites? We'll show you guys what's the best food here.
Down the Hatch is known for fresh fish. We get our fish right across the street from the harbor. The boys will bring it straight down here. We get it ready for our guests. We're also known for our lava shrimp and our lobster and crab grilled cheese sandwich. I got some of those ready for you hot if you want to try them out.
I can't wait to try it.
All right, let's go.
All right, I see a lot of good food here. So can you explain to me a little bit about what we have going on here with all this good food?
Yeah, absolutely. So some of our favorites, we're from the south, we're all from Georgia. So we brought some of our roots back here to Maui. So we got the chicken and waffles here in the back. Obviously, Maui loves fish, so one of our most popular dishes are fish tacos. This is our take on our In-N-Out style burger. It's kind of like a double-double animal style. We change our ahi poke every single month. So this month it's a southwestern style poke with charred corn, and then there's all types of like cilantro, avo crema. This is our lava shrimp, like our most popular appetizer. Right over here is our strawberry summer salad, grilled chicken and avocado. Our lobster and crab and stuffed grilled cheese is one of our most famous entrees. And right in the very back is the yellowfin Cajun ahi, served with radishes, sauteed spinach, and it's got an apple cider beurre blanc sauce.
Looks good. I can't wait to get in.
All right, let's eat.
Security did not see him. They just hovered around his tomb.
That's really good.
Little thing waiting on the king. Down in the jungle room. I'm walking in front. Thank you, brother. Go Giants. I'm walking in Memphis. Walking with my feet 10 feet off the beat. Walking in Memphis. Do I really feel the way I Hey guys, love you all. Oh, I got time. All right, let's do this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the tips and being cool. I love you all. This is the wind blowing on the trees, country roads, take me home.
forever.
I know West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah,
Let's try mine.
I said, hey.
Down the Hatch is situated in a really nice space. It has an amazing ambiance from koi fish, birds flying and chirping in the air. Now, Down the Hatch is a bar, so they do have a bar style of serving. So when you come in, you order your drinks via the bar, or you can order it at the stand in the front. Tell them your order, you take a seat, and they'll bring out your food. They do this very quickly and very efficiently, and I had absolutely no problems with it. It was simple, easy, and just allows you to really just be able to just enjoy the space and the setting. Now, Down the Hatch is situated in this little plaza where there are other businesses around, like jewelry shops and other things of that nature. But the owners of Down the Hatch actually have a shaved ice spot called Breakwall Shaved Ice, which was absolutely amazing.
What's up, everybody? We're here at Breakwall Shaved Ice. So, Javier, what are some of you guys' favorites, some of the local favorites here for Breakwall?
Some of our local favorites are adult shave ice that we do here. We're one of the only places in the world that mixes alcohol with shave ice. So we have a whole entire adult shave ice menu where we'll have like mango margaritas, strawberry daiquiris. We do a mudslide that has Bailey's and vodka. It's got coffee shave ice flavor. It's got this like icing on top and ice cream at the bottom, kind of like a dessert. Some of the other things that we're kind of known for is our natural flavors. So because we have so much fruit here in Hawaii, like passion fruit is called lilikoi. It's one of my favorite flavors. You guys should definitely try that.
Okay.
Mango, strawberry guava. So that's kind of something different from other shave ice shops that are just doing like, you know, kind of like fake syrupy sugar flavors. These are natural. We use fresh juice to make these. So definitely something that you should try. Breakwall also has like a lot of other options like acai bowls and smoothies. We have kombucha on tap. We have cold brew coffee. We also have nitro coffee on top. So kind of like a really fun little cafe that our guests from Down the Hatch can come over to get dessert or get coffee in the morning and stuff like that.
Well, guys, I think I'm going to try that. I'll keep you guys tuned.
The regular flavors are on the left, all of our natural flavors are on the right. This is all of our adult shave ice. These are like the pre-made ones that we like, and then if you don't like those, you can make your own custom ones.
So I use a spoon first?
Yeah, use the spoon. The straw's just at the end, like if it starts melting down.
It's real good.
Yeah?
That's a good combination. Like I can definitely taste the lime. And the lower point.
It better be good, bro. You made it, not me.
No, it is good. What's up, everybody? This is Sav Exposure. We've had an amazing time at Down the Hatch here in Lahaina at the wharf. Some of the best and freshest seafood I've had in a very long time, which was absolutely amazing. This kind of southern twist of Hawaiian food and seafood was absolutely amazing and refreshing. If you are in Maui or in the Kaanapali / Lahaina area, it is definitely hands down a place you should try. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for what's next.
Remember the farewell. We both kinda liked it. Exposure, exposure. It's the best film crew around, yeah. I think exposure's the best. People with cameras, pictures of people and food. And if you need an advertisement, get exposure. They'll make people come and spend money for you.